In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Mercury in 2025. This process is designed to be as straightforward and seamless as possible, taking place entirely online so you can get set up with a checking account right from the comfort of your home or office. First, you'll want to navigate to Mercury's website. Once there, look towards the top of the screen and find the Products tab. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Business Checking and Savings. This will take you to a new web page where you can begin the process of opening your account. On this new page, look for the button that says Open Account and go ahead and click it. To begin creating your account, you'll need to enter your email address and choose a username. Make sure your email is one you check often, as Mercury will use this to communicate with you throughout the setup and approval process. Your username should be something easy for you to remember, as you'll need it for logging in later. Next, it's time to enter your company information. This includes the type of company you operate, such as an LLC or a C corporation, as well as your EIN, which is your company's tax identification number. You'll also need to provide the location where your company is officially incorporated. Along with these details, include a brief description of what your company does. This helps Mercury get a better understanding of your business activities. Following this, you'll be asked to add addresses. Begin with your company address. If your company uses a registered agent, you can use that address here. You will also need to enter a personal address for yourself. This is typically required for verification purposes. Now we're going to list the details of the company's owners. You'll need to provide the names and ownership percentages of all shareholders. This information is crucial for transparency and compliance reasons. Once the ownership details are in, it's time to verify your identity. Mercury requires you to upload a government-issued ID such as your passport or a driver's license. You'll also need to confirm your phone number, which might involve receiving a text or a call with a verification code. This step is vital, as it ensures that your information is secure and that only authorized individuals can access the account. Finally, after you've completed all the required sections, it's time to hit Submit on your application. Mercury's team will then review your application, a process that typically takes a few business days. During this waiting period, keep an eye on your email for any communications from them, as they might reach out for additional information or documents. And there you have it. You've submitted your application for a checking account with Mercury. Once it's approved, you'll be able to start managing your finances efficiently through their platform. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.